In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw Lilo from Lilo and Stitch. So all of my characters that I draw, I always start around the face, and I do this because I want to get the center point of the character. So here we have the center point. It's right here. This is where I'm going to put the nose. You always want to start light with everything in case you need to erase. Now Lilo has a little eye here on this side, kind of like that. It's diagonal from this point. Everything I do, I kind of measure from the previous point. I put a little circle in there. Got a little line under here. And then we're going to put the smile in. I'm leaving like a little space here. And I'm going to bring this over and kind of curve it as I'm coming over. From this point, it's kind of diagonal from here. I'm going to draw a little smile line. And then I'm going to curve this down. I'm going to bring this all the way over. Lilo smiling. All Disney characters, pretty much every character in general, have this little curve coming up, and then that's where you're going to draw something like that. From there, put this little curve in there, and then you would darken all this in. Next, from this point, you're going to go kind of diagonal from there. That's where you're going to, you can match the eyes up if you want. You could draw a line like that. From there, we're going to curve this. When we get to the top, we'll come back down and draw the other part of the eye kind of like that. We'll draw the circle in here. And we'll put another little circle in there. And we'll darken all this in. So again, circle, and then you want to draw the features inside the character so you can wrap the face around. I'm leaving a little space here, and then I'm going to curve this. Curve the face. Kind of when you get here, you're going to draw the ears going up, or like a C, like so. And then we'll draw the other part of the face. We'll leave like a space here. That's where the face is going to come down and then wrap into that other line that we started on the right side. Next, I'm going to curve this up, and that's where you can draw a line here, eyebrows, and then on the other side, the eyebrows. We're going to continue this on, and you're going to have a line coming down. This is the hair. And bring it up like that. And then draw another little, like leave a little space, and then you're going to come here, curve that. Draw a line like that. So this is kind of diagonal to that. Then you're going to draw this. It's kind of like curved, and then it's going to curve into this point right here. And we're going to like leave a space over here, like a line. And we'll do the body in the next tutorial, but for now we're going to just do the hair. So we'll curve this up like that. Go all the way over, and then start curving her hair down. And that's basically Lilo. And we'll draw a little neck here. So as this curves, we'll have a curve here. And then I'll put a curve here. We'll do that for the next the next tutorial, but for now, put a little line there, and then this will be your hair. And then you can have like a line here if you want. There's a line over here, and you could darken all this in as well. So that's it for Lilo. Quick little few-minute sketch. Let me know how you did. I'll post the time lapse to the shorts, but Lilo from Lilo and Stitch. If you want to check out my other videos, you can go to the link I put in the description for our Udemy, and I have courses over there if you want to join those courses and learn how to draw other characters. But for now, I'll be posting a lot of these here and posting them over there. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Peace.